I'm trying to add so I can actually pull my son's wagon, and I'm just trying to figure it out. Like you guys can see here in my electric bicycle, I want to add this piece here, and so I can just ride around with the electric scooter. And I figured out that using one of these, like I had to get a bigger bolt, or I'm gonna have to start cutting this down, trim it some, so I can actually put this here. But I just figured out that you know I can actually use one of the braking system, and I just attached it to here, and I'm still able to put back the cover without no problem, because out here, so by cutting that, putting this in, I'm gonna have to cut this piece, and I don't want to I don't want to go ahead and start cutting on this either. But I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. And all right, guys, you guys can go ahead and see. You don't have to worry about cutting or anything like that, too much modification. You can just use the caliper bolt, and then you can just convert it to a different, bigger bolt. I'll have that in there because I don't want my caliper to get scratched and anything like that. So I'm just using that rubber piece. So keep it smooth and like new. So you can see here the bolt is simple. You can get this anywhere. You can go to Lowe's or Home Depot. It's 10 millimeter. You can get like that. And that's the caliper. That's the stock version of it. And what you want to do is just add washers to keep it, so because the bolt's a little bit longer, and you don't want to go you just want to have the same amount as the thread. You see that right there? So you want the same as possible. So what you want to do is you can just put like 3 washers, 4 washers in there, and you're good to go. You can get one of these here. You can do modification or anything you want to do, but for my opinion, you can just get one of these washers. They're really cheap, and just putting your bolt in there, and it's really simple, man. And this one right here, you can get a bigger washer ones, because what it is you don't want to have slipped, and that's the one that's keeping it from slipping, especially with your wagon.